Hi, Dr. Ashavari. How are you? Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Ashavari. How are you? Nice to connect.
Fine, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So, how was your preparations and all?
Going on, ma'am, but not that much
Yes, it happens
progress.
to everybody. Yeah, true. Right. So, how about your priorities? Like, you are a full-time learner, or how you are making it up here?
Not full-time learner, ma'am. Because of household work, I rarely get so much time. So,
Yes. Mm. Yes, I think many of our students are in the same boat. Yes.
yes,
Sharmila, welcome. Okay, so how is like how you manage up? Like how many hours you will allot? You can be very frank. That's okay if you allot even 1 hour or 2 hour. It is okay. How many hours you can afford in your preparation?
5 to 6 hours, ma'am, in day.
Oh, that's
And
really great. Yes.
in the morning,
It
only I
is.
can give much time, and in the evening, somewhat 1-2 hours. Uh,
So
that
yeah.
yes,
That's
ma'am.
really great. So if you can really afford 5 to 6 hours a day, that is really a great number of hours that you have allocated. Really. So definitely, I think very soon you will see the results. Yes. So
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
really a great number actually. Yeah. So what is your plan like? You are planning to wrap up by 6 months, or your plan is for 1 year. How long is your plan?
6 months, ma'am.
6 months. Okay. So you have to intense, isn't it? Yeah. So
Yes,
yes. So you have how many units you are targeting?
10 units.
10 units you are targeting. That's really great. Yes. So what you can do is, yes. So whenever you are getting time, are you done with your planning? Your plan is ready.
Sorry, ma'am, I can't hear you. Hello?
No, I'm asking your planner is ready. Like which unit you are going to do which month, which date you are going to do which one. So is the planner ready with you?
No, ma'am, no, not exactly.
So my first and the best suggestion to you is first make a plan. Okay. So if you make a plan, like know which month you are going to cover which unit, then only you will have a track on your studies. Okay. So if you randomly keep reading whatever you feel like it is important, then you may not cover the sufficient syllabus. Okay. So the best tip I will give you is that first make a plan. Okay. So once you come up with a plan, then you will be able to track your preparation. Yes.
Right, right, right.
You will soon we'll meet up very frequently. Okay. So in the next meet, definitely I want a pakka plan from you, like which month, which unit, which topic you are going to cover. So what is your plan versus what is the execution, then you will know what specifically you are going to read every time. Agreed?
Right, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, very good. Right, who is going to open up next? Yes, who is ready with your views? The next one, I can see Pooja, Sharmila, Kirtana, and Rahman. Yes. Who is going to speak up next? Yes, all. Hmm. Okay. So who is ready with the planner? Yes. Anybody has started to put a planner and start working on it? Yes, ma'am. Yes. So you have made up your planner, which month you are going to study which unit, how is all your preparation, it is easy or hard to follow. You can open up and tell such that I'll give my suggestions and inputs that will betterment, that is for the betterment of your preparation. Yes, because it is not like your semester exam you read and throw. it is going to be a long-term commitment, isn't it? Yes. So definitely it will take a lot of time. It takes a lot of motivation. It is not like it is going to turn in a day or two, isn't it? So definitely it is going to take a lot of time to to prepare in. So you should maintain the spirit. So how you are able to maintain the spirit? Like on the day one, you will all be with the Josh that you are preparing for the exam. Am I right? Yes, as the day goes, how is your feeling towards the exam? Yes, you can talk up. Yes, so is the Josh the same the first day when you joined or when you started preparing your examination? How was your feeling? And as the time moved on, whether the enthusiasm is increasing or it is decreasing or it is increasing and decreasing, how is your curve? How is your learning curve? Yes, everyone?
Ma'am, someday it is increasing, someday it is decreasing.
Decreasing.
Not
Yes.
constant.
Yes, it is not constant. No, it is fluctuating. Yes. So what is the reason for this fluctuation? Can you find out? Yes. So it is fluctuating. I agree, right? So whenever like you are seeing, no, there are many shows in the television. Yes. So every day, if at all you watch some kind of a story, okay, maybe you call it as a serial. Every day you wish to see it. Why? Because every day there is going to be a suspense, right? So the next day the suspense is going to get revealed, so you get the motivation to watch the serial every day, or like a Big Boss, like some kind of program every day they keep some kind of thing, right? So that is inducing you the next day to continue watching it. Am I right? Yes, it is all because of our interest towards that program, right? So likewise you have to make a little bit priority, right? So once you are making it up a priority, and if you are really into it, definitely your curve should not go down. Yes, so if you are getting down, what you can do, you can just talk up with your friends. Yes, you can motivate and boost yourself such that the next time you will not lose interest. Okay, right, this happened. Yes, maybe this last examination, let us take, maybe your score is less. That is okay, so you can come out of it by a kind of self motivation. Okay, so since because it is a competitive examination, I have repeatedly telling you that it is not like your summative examination. Summative examination, you prepare once, whatever comes you write, you are in, you get scored. But competitive exam is like, many of us don't get at the first attempt. Okay, yes, so it happens to majority of the students, they take up second, third attempts and all. Okay, so don't panic, don't worry really if in the first attempt only it is not turning out. Don't lose hope. Okay, so if you are consistent in learning, if you are learning to the point, if you are revising properly, definitely everybody can crack this exam. Yes. Anybody else who want to share their views on your preparation, where you feel that you are a little bit lacking, or what is taking you towards that success? Any good things that you do every day? You take notes. How many of you take notes? How many of you prepare self notes in this group? Yes. So how many of you make self notes in this class apart from the class material? Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes. So I see few hands raised. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. I have.
Good, Rahman. Yes. Yes, Dr. Roshan. Yes.
Ma'am, but I'm not regular classes attending because, ma'am, I'm now appearing on third semester, PG third semester. So really pressurize something other like syllabus. So and project work also done. So I
Yes.
have not regular the classes and preparation, ma'am.
Yes, I understand. So this is the one, as you told, this is one of the most common problem that is faced by the students. Why? Because majority of our learners, they are in either your MSc, yes, so or else you are into a project work, or else already you are working somewhere, maybe in a lab you work, or you work in a college, or some kind of occupation you are there, and no. So because of that, you don't get enough time to attend the classes only. That is absolutely okay. Okay, so it is nothing wrong that no, you are not attending the classes. But what I can suggest you is that in the spare time that you get, okay, so that may be every day or that may be in a weekend, you try to cover the leftover syllabus. Okay, so how I will recommend you to make a plan itself. Yes, by nature, you know your work. Okay, so if at all you are able to allocate only 1 hour learning per day, also make a plan for that 1 hour. Okay, so in this 1 hour, I'm going to listen 30 minutes to this class. Yes, and 30 minutes I'm going to take up notes and revise that particular topic. So at least that 1 hour you make a plan. If at all you are able to give 2 hours a day, make a plan for the 2 hour a day. So how you are going to make up the plan and how you can achieve the plan. So because this is very, everybody almost they have some other kind of interaction, so nobody is like very free to learn. Okay, so all the students, they have either some other work, so they are into house, they have to take care of the family, so that is also a biggest one. So maybe you are already into your MSc, your project is there, your semester is there, practicals is there, everything is there, but consistently you keep 1 hour. So morning 6 to 7 or night 9 to 10. This hour is strict for CSER net. So in that 1 hour, what you are going to learn? Maybe if you miss the class, you want to see the recorded version, half an hour you attend. Just you can plug in your earphones and half an hour you attend the class, and whatever you attend, make a notes. Why I am insisting this note making is that, yes, whenever I teach, you will feel that the concept is very familiar to you. Agreed? Yes. Whenever I teach, you feel that this concept is very, very
Right, ma'am.
you. Yes.
Yes. It's very helpful, ma'am.
Yeah. So it is very familiar to you. But once you come out of the class, again, if you attend the class after a while, you will feel like, where is this? Did I study this? Yes, it happens to everyone. Why? Because if you put it into your own writing, that will only go to your subconscious mind. Okay, so that is why in the even your lower classes, you could have done that. You could have written the tables for more than 10 times or 100 times. Why? By default, if I ask you what is 2 into 2, without thinking only, you will say it is 4. Why? Because you have written so many times. At least now we cannot do so many times of writing now. At least 1 or twice, once at least you make to try to make out the big notes, and one time you try to make this flashcard. The problem of revision will never come. Okay, so revision is going to be very, very easy if you prepare the self notes. Okay, without self notes, the revision is going to be very tough. Okay, so to avoid that problem, what you can do is that from the day 1 only, you have to make a habit. Let it be half an hour of learning time. Let it be 60 minutes. Let it be 90 minutes. Whatever you are able to give the time, give equal amount of time for notes making, such that whichever you take is retained within your head. It is not going to vanish. Yes, everyone? Agreed the point? Will you try taking notes? Yes. So everybody must definitely put separate notes or same book. That is your wish. And then nowadays, these paste-it cards are available. No, so in the paste-it card, just write and stick it on this notebook. Okay, so this is coming for 4 marks. This is coming for 3 marks. Right. So like that, you can put and see. Okay, so then you will remember whenever you are studying, okay, this Lotka-Volterra model concept is again and again it is asked in the exam. Okay, this logarithmic exponential J and K curve is coming. Like that, your mind will keep reminded whenever you see your own handwriting. Okay, but if it is going to be PDF, it is helpful for you, but still your own version is more communicating to you. You will remember a little joke that we cracked in the class. You will remember the clue that we made in the class, the hint that we made. Okay, so all these things will not come in the PDF. PDF, it is the original version. From that, you have to develop your own version. Agreed, everyone? So what the 2 things that we saw today? Number 1, I need a Pakka planner from everybody. Okay, so what is your plan? When shall we meet back? We'll meet back after a week. Yes, you are ready for a challenge?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good, everyone. So let us make a challenge.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So what
Yes.
Yeah, very good. Yes, so it is going to be an independent version. Nobody need not, yes, yeah. So nobody need not reveal me what is your target. Okay, so you can just take your notebook. So have a plan. So it is a self challenge. Okay, so you are going to compare yourself with yourself only. Next week, the same day, we will meet back. At that time, I'm going to check 2 points. Number one, whether you have made a planner, 5 points. You have followed the planner, 5 more points. Next, you should start preparing the notes for another 5 points, and then you have to make the flashcards out of these notes. So total 20 marks you are going to keep aside for you. Let it be, let it, you do 5 or 10 or 15 or 20, that is up to you. But it is a little bit step that we are taking as a group challenge. Yes, so definitely I hope that you will all will enjoy, you will start reading, start refreshing, right? So together let us grow. Yes, everyone agreed? Okay, good. So yes, very happy to meet you all back. Right, so any other things, any queries, anything to share, you can definitely share it up here. Any problem you face, anything you want to rectify, or what about this group study kind of thing? So you want to do some kind of experiment with that? Yes. How was your learning actually? You do 100% self-study? Only self-study? So how do you feel like, when you study on your own, how you feel, and if you think that somebody is following you, how you will feel? Yes, you have a track, no? Okay, like somebody is there to watch me, so I should still more focus because I am answerable to them, right? So you can create your own partner, right? Yes, so you are going to be your own partner. Yes, you are only going to monitor yourself. That is the biggest role. We are all grown-ups, so you can serve as your better monitor, and you just make your own estimation, and I will catch you next week at the same time, and we will review how is our performance, how is our Josh, how is the Josh, how much percentage confidence you are having that this 21 June I'm going to crack. I have 100%, for example. Okay. Yes, you might keep updating me in the chat box also. How many percent confidence you have that I will crack this 21 June examination? Only top 6,000 students will be selected out of 1 lakh pass. Yes, very good. So out of 1 lakh aspirants, yes, only 6,000 is going to get selected. Yes, really. So you are going to be within that 100%. I really want everybody first to believe in yourself. Yes, very good. Yes, if your confidence is less, don't worry. We will work on to boost your confidence first. Yes, that is the first step. Okay, first we should believe in ourselves. Then only somebody else will believe us. Am I right? Yes? Yeah. First I should believe that I will do. Then only CSER will believe me and give me the fellowship. Correct? Okay, that's great, guys. So I will definitely meet you all back. Within that, I have given you 2 works. One, make a plan, how many hours a day I can afford, how many things I am attending, how many notes I am making. Point number 2 was what? Point number 1 is schedule. Point number 2 is notes making. Okay, so that is a very big art that is really going to, after you crack your examination also, if you end up in teaching, definitely these notes will help you in your teaching also. Okay, so that is a very good habit of making notes. So do that and really spread the knowledge. Okay, guys, all the very best. I'll catch you up in another interesting session. Bye bye. Thanks a lot for joining personally. Thank you, everybody. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thanks
Thank
a lot.
Yeah. Welcome, Rahman. Yes, Dr. Ashavari, Neetu, Pooja,
Thank
Kirtana,
you.
Dr. Roshan. Yes, Gayatri. Take care. All the very best. I'm ending the session.